So this is the project caption generator. So in this project having multiple modules like image, we can generate image based caption as well as video based caption, and it has to utilize CNN algorithm and LSTM algorithm. And in terms of dataset, we have used multiple dataset. Flickr 8K is one dataset which we have used for image based problem. For image based problem, we have used this one, and for video based problem, we have used OpenLab dataset, which is available on this website, MSVD dataset, which has been introduced by Microsoft. So this is the second dataset which we have utilized. So these are the two. This is for video based, and this is Flickr 8K for image based. Okay. So this is the web application. So this is the home screen for the project, and this is the about section. So you can mention your name, the student name, and you can do registration with your account, and you can do login. So this is the image based captioning. So you just have to select the image. Okay, I just have to go to dataset folder. I have provided you some images and video for testing purpose. Okay, so you can just go to this and select image. Okay, so it is not, it is caption, right? So it is not very 100% accurate because captioning is something which is generating, right? It is covered under generating thing. Okay, so captioning is something which can be anything, right? So we can't consider anything will be at the 100% accuracy, but we have used the data set and we have trained on data set and we have achieved around 70 to 80% accuracy on the both. Okay, so like that you can proceed and you can upload image and you can get the caption. Okay, so as you can see, a group of people sitting on the laptop placing water. So it is what basically this system do based on the detected feature. Like as we have water, we have number of peoples. It generate the caption based on the features available in the video or image. Okay, similarly we can do with video based. Just have to go to choose full file, and I have provided you some hundreds 64 videos, so you can choose randomly and just have to submit it. When you submit it, make sure it will show one pop-up here. Okay, it will generate one pop-up in the bottom, so you have to make sure you have to open that pop-up. So it take time, as video processing take time, right? So it convert into frames, then it make the bunch of 80 frames, and it will pass it to LSTM, then make the prediction like that. Okay, so as you can see, like this is the original video, this is the captioning video. So as you can see, a man is cutting, it is cutting but something, right? So can be anything, so we are not applied object detection, that's why. But the caption is somehow it is uh, it is generating, right? So to end the video, you just have to press escape. Okay, when you press escape it will throw error, but yeah, then you can go back and then again you can select any video. Okay, so yeah, this way it is working. Okay, and for the training part, I'll show you the notebook file as well. So let's wait for this prediction as well. So the for video based, the data set which we have used, this one, this is the very big data set. So as you can see, uh, man is making into pan, right? So yeah, this is somehow correct, right? So yeah, so this way it is making the prediction. Okay, so if I show you the training part, so you can go to this notebook folder. Okay, inside it notebook folder, available final training file is there. So this is for image based problem. So in this we have trained the model for image. Okay, in this we have used this embedding and GRU layer. Okay, GRU algorithm is there. Okay, similar way if you want to check the for video based algorithm, so you can go. I'll give you this. Okay, so you can go and here all the encoder decoders and everything is available here. The dataset pre-processing, loading, and everything is there. Okay, so you can refer this. I'll give you in form of HTML, so you can directly open, to run this again, because to run this particular training part, it will take around 1 or 2 days. Okay, to complete the epochs and perform the everything. Okay, basically the dataset which we have used now, this is very huge dataset. Okay, it is almost around 1500 to 2000 video clips are there, so which is very huge. So that's why it is taking time. So I suggest keep your laptop with the good performance. Okay, good performance laptop and do the setup. Okay.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.